Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do some festive winter Christmassy planters. So let me show you right next to me. I just recently potted up, not really potted up, I recently stuck this in the pot and I love it so much. It looks like a little tree. The wind has been blowing so hard today, so it did get a little crooked. Usually we do not have very much wind, but today I hope that I don't get blown away with it. It's pretty strong. So I'm super excited to get all the planters filled with all the greens to make them holiday and Christmassy and wintry for two reasons. One, our stuff usually gets behind schedule just with all the business stuff, so I want to prioritize ours and get it done, which will be super fun. And two, we have our Christmas market, our annual holiday Christmas market at our chiropractic office this Saturday, and I need the rest of the greens to take there and use them. So I want to take out what I want to use at home before we take those to the office. So I need to get that taken care of. So those will all just be for the office. I'm super excited this year because we are going to be able to pull it off all free, not paying for anything and using any extra money for this project, because in October we had Hurricane Helene here in Greenville, South Carolina, which we didn't get it like crazy bad, but we still got pretty severe for this area. We usually don't get that kind of damage. But the good thing of that is that because of all those trees that fell down at our place and my parents' place, we have a ton of gorgeous, gorgeous trees that you would not usually get cuttings of and greens from. So I have a fun mixture that I'll show you guys that I get to use that I normally don't. So that is a 1+ and a blessing that we get to use. Just like this, this is the top of a pine tree. It has the most gorgeous little baby pine cones that Luke and I have been spotting that you just normally don't get to use that. So I'm really, really excited just to put all this together. So let me show you what we got, and we are just gonna get to town and fill these. We are on our front porch. I have these 2 pots I wanna make super simple, just like that. We're gonna deck this out, and then on the back patio we have some pots we're gonna deck out. Okay, if we open up our truck, you can see, look at all this beautiful stuff. I just grabbed this today at my parents' because I realized on the front porch how beautiful these pines are, and they look freshly cut. I grabbed some more of these beautiful leaves from the bush and red berries, and then our van is packed. It is packed. So we got lots to work with. We found these gorgeous, gorgeous branches with just loaded with all these beautiful pine cones. I'm so excited. Oh, that looks so cute. I love it. Okay guys, we got the front porch done. I am probably covered in pine needles, but let me swing you around. I love them so much. They're so gorgeous. So simple. You can see the pine branch that was there, and then I just tossed in a ton. I have bags of these pine cones that we were able to collect as well. So cute. And then I did the same on the other side. I stuck this one in. This one is a little bit taller than the other one, but not a big deal. Oh, they're just so cute. I love them so much. So simple and just festive. And then if we turn this way, it's just large and beautiful and full of everything. It's so fun. So I put the long ones in the back, and then I stuck the pines here, and then I put all these green and red leaves from my parents' bushes, and then I stuck in some extra berries, and I have these gorgeous branches with just pine cones on that I stuck in as well. So let me show you guys. And I love these tall greens in the back. They almost look like Italian cypress, how straight up and down they are. So pretty. Just made it very full and stuck in all the holes with pine cones. And there it is. So pretty. I hope you guys can see it okay on camera. I love it. So beautiful. So now we're going to go in the back and do the back porch. See if you guys can see that. It's a little brighter in real life than on the camera. It looks a little dark. I may do some of the pots similar, but I have some really, really large pine cone branches I might work with instead. You can see the two together there. Okay, so here in the back patio, we have these two gorgeous planters that Sebastian built. One here and then one over here. So I'm just gonna clip out all the cannas, and then we're just gonna stick stuff in. Okay guys, here is one of the branches. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love it. Look at those beautiful pine cones. I just can't believe it. It's loaded. I'm so excited and so thankful to be able to use it. These are what I'm putting in the back planter. Okay guys, we are losing light, but I just finished. I tried hurrying so you guys could see it. Hopefully it's visible enough in the camera. These are the back patio planters. I love them. They're a little wild at first. I didn't like how they were turning out, and then I did both of them, and I just love, they're very wild looking. In real life, you can see more of the greens. And slow. So they have these beautiful branches with the pine cones and some of the pine needle ones that I stuck in here. Really big ones. I used the really, really big ones, so I just got some good height. And then I stuffed some of these pretty leaves in and pine cones. And we'll hop over to the other one. Look at that wildness. It's so fun and so pretty. I love it. I just love how many pine cones are in here. It's so beautiful. This one we see a lot from our living room, so I tried to deck it out even just a little bit more. Same thing down here. Oh, hope you guys can see that. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the planters by the door, I already had these planted up. I saved room in the back just to put some greens and some of the pine cones. So they look so pretty and festive. I just wanted to show you guys this cute little pot I just made really quick out of the scraps that I had. This one usually has an annual in and it was on its way out, so I pulled it out and I just stuck in the leftover scrap greens. Isn't that cute? I love it. And here's the front. All right, before we lose too much light, I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me today. I was running with branches. I have my hair's all over, pine needles in it, but I was trying to hurry and it got really cold with the wind. Like relatively, it's not that cold because we're in South Carolina, but it feels really cold. So I'm excited to finish up and warm up, but I loved how these turned out and I'm so thankful that we could use all the trees, the beautiful trees that fell down, which is so sad. But I'm so thankful we could use their branches and just make beautiful arrangements and that we didn't have to spend any money on them. What a blessing. Thank you guys so much. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday and Christmas season. See you in the next one. Bye.